I made this amazing, fantastic, absolutely decadent cake, and I really want to share it with you because you have to make it. This cake called Portokalopita, cake with oranges. So easy, so simple, and so wonderful. So first you will need oranges. You need to take a zest of 2 oranges, and you will need orange juice. You can use orange juice from the box, or like me, use your oranges and squeeze orange juice yourself. Doesn't matter. Then you will need a phyllo dough. Very simple. You lay your phyllo dough. You need 5 or 6 sheets of your phyllo dough, lay it on your baking pan and put it in an oven. And you can put your phyllo on your pan, just at any form, because like later we're gonna break it anyway. So you just put your phyllo in the oven to dry. While your phyllo is drying, we're gonna make syrup. You will need water, sugar, and orange juice. Put it on a stove, warm your syrup, boil it so your sugar will dissolve, and just boil it for a few minutes. That's it, your syrup is ready, put it aside. Now we need to prepare a mixture for your cake. Very easy. In one bowl you need to mix eggs, little bit of sugar and olive oil. In the second bowl you mix yogurt and baking powder. Mix it very well and leave it for 2-3 minutes so your baking powder starts working. Meanwhile, your egg mixture is whipped and like nicely whipped and foamy, and now you start mixing your egg mixture and yogurt. I add just a little bit at the time and fold it in my egg mixture. There you go. It's all done already. Now we're going to put our cake together. So now take your dried phyllo dough and crumble it with your hands. You don't need to put it in a blender or anything like that. Just crumble it with your fingers. That's enough. And mix it with your yogurt mixture. And add a little bit more and fold a little bit more and up until you have no phyllo left. Mix it all very well together. Don't forget to add zest of your oranges. Mix it very well together. And there you go. This is it. All done, all ready. It's so easy, so fast. Now prepare your baking form. I had this square form. I sprayed a little bit oil on it, poured my mixture in the form, level it, and put it in the oven and bake it for about 40 minutes. When your pie is ready, take it out of the oven and make a holes with your knife. And now carefully and slowly start pouring your orange syrup. Don't worry, your cake is not gonna be very wet. It absorbs this syrup wonderfully, and at the end you will have this beautiful, moist, very aromatic, orangey flavored cake. It's so good. You will make it again and again. So leave just a little bit of syrup for later, but with most of the syrup you will need to soak your cake. Put some leftover syrup on top of your piece of cake and enjoy. It's really decadent and wonderful cake. You have to make it. So I hope you like this recipe and I hope you make this cake. And I'll see you in the next video.